In this video, we're going to be replacing the Serpentine belt in this 2008 Acura MDX. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get on our belt tensioner. This is located down below. We're going to get on this bolt here and relieve the tension from our belt. We're going to do that with a Serpentine belt tool. The end that we need is a 14 millimeter. We're going to get on that pulley and we're going to push towards the firewall of the vehicle. All right, so once you're on your tensioner, go ahead and push to the rear of the vehicle. Now what that'll do is loosen up your belt. At that point, you should be able to remove the belt from the power steering pump pulley. At this point, we're just going to use a small pry bar to help us. All right, so go ahead and remove your tool. Your belt should possibly pop right off if you've managed to get it off of the pulley enough. It should come right off. So that AC line is in the way. So what we're going to do is just back out the bolt for the AC line, 10 millimeter socket. Remove your belt. Now reinstall your belt. And again, the goal here, if you have to reroute your belt, is to feed as much of it as you can all the way up top to get it out of your way. This portion will go through your tensioner. Around your alternator. This will then ride under here. And then the rest of it goes up onto your power steering pump. So now what we're going to do is just pull our drive belt or a Serpentine belt up. Get it ready to be in position. So you can see it came off of the alternator, which is okay. We're just going to keep a little upward tension on it and put it back around our alternator. Okay. Now to keep everything somewhat in line and on the pulleys it needs to be on, try and keep upward tension on this. We're going to have to feed it underneath our power steering line. Okay, and we're going to have to take this belt and put it around our power steering pump. To do that, we're going to need our Serpentine belt tool and get it onto our tensioner. Go ahead and get our belt somewhat lined up and push to the rear of the vehicle as much as you can. And pull your belt onto your power steering pump pulley. It should be good enough to hold it in place. And we'll go again. There we go. Go ahead and remove your tool. Now from here, we can put our AC line back in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.